Mabuhay! Welcome to El Supreme Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking to book a room for tonight. Do you have any availability?
Alright ma'am, let me check on that for you. Okay ma'am, we have a few options available for tonight. We have a standard room with a queen bed for 8,000 per night or a deluxe room with a king bed for 10,000 per night. Would either of those work for you?
The standard room sounds good. I'll take that one.
Wonderful. Let me get that booked for you. May I have your name, please?
My name is Kay Sugar Maka.
A while, ma'am, I will just get the GRC form. Can you fill out this form, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Great, ma'am. And do you have a preferred method of payment?
Yes, I'll pay by credit card.
Thank you, Miss Mata. And may I know the mode of payment for this, ma'am?
Yes, I'll pay by credit card.
May I have your credit card, ma'am?
Sure.
Alright, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I've charged your card for one night stay in the standard room. Here is your room key. It's room 215 on the second floor.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Is there anything else I need to know about the hotel?
Yes, ma'am. A few things. Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in our dining area. And we also have a fitness center and outdoor pool that are open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Let me know if you need any restaurant or activity recommendations during your time here.
Okay, great. I'll be definitely using the book. Is there a place I can store my luggage if I need to check out a bit later tomorrow?
Absolutely. We have a luggage storage room available. You're welcome to leave your bags with us after you check out and pick them up at your convenience.
Wonderful. That's really helpful. Thank you so much for your assistance.
You're very welcome, ma'am. I hope you have a great stay with us. Please let me know if there is anything else I can do for you.
Will do. Thanks again.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Mabuhay. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Mabuhay!
So,
Mabuhay! Good afternoon. Welcome to Supreme Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I'm Darshini Calente, checking in from a reservation.
Wonderful. Let me look that up for you. Ah yes, here it is. You were booked in our presidential suite for the next 3 nights. We're so pleased to have you staying with us, Miss Jara.
Good. So I'm looking forward to a comfortable stay. Is there anything you can offer?
Absolutely. Let me provide you with some details. So, your presidential suite is our largest room with most luxurious accommodation, featuring a separate living room, bedroom, and marble bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. You'll also have access to our private executive lounge, where we serve complimentary breakfast, afternoon tea, and where we serve complimentary breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening hours the rest.
Oh, that all sounds wonderful. What about other facilities? I'd like to utilize the fitness center and perhaps make a dinner reservation.
Wonderful. Our fitness center is open for 24 hours and is fully equipped with the latest cardio and strength training machines. I'd be happy to make a dinner reservation for you at our award-winning restaurant. So what time would you like to be booked that for?
How about 8 p.m. to 8 p.m.?
Okay, excellent choice. I'll get that book right away. So, wait for a moment now. There we are. You're all set for 8 p.m. this evening. Is there anything else I can assist you with, Miss Jara?
No, I think that all covers. Thank you so much for your hospitality. I'm sure I have a wonderful stay.
We're delighted to have you, ma'am. Please let me know if me or any of my colleagues, if there is anything you want, and anything we can do for you to have an exceptional night.
Thank you, I certainly will.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your time with us.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Last Supreme Hotel. How may I assist you today, ma'am?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Mary Claire Tejaro. It's for 3 nights.
Wonderful. Let me look that up for you, ma'am. Ah, yes, here it is. A 3-night stay in one of our standard room checking in today.
That's correct.
May I see a valid ID and credit card to complete the checking process?
Yes, here you go.
Asa?
Can you check this form, ma'am, for verification and signature at the bottom? Raise the pen, ma'am.
Okay, it's done.
Okay, I already processed your 3-night stay. Yes, a few things. Breakfast is served daily from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in our dining room. We also have a fitness center and outdoor pool that are open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Let me know if you need any restaurant or activity recommendations during your time here.
Wonderful. That's very helpful. I'm looking forward to using the pool. Is there a place to store my luggage if I check out a bit later on my last day?
Absolutely. We have a luggage storage room available. You're welcome to leave your luggage with us after you check out and pick them up at your convenience.
Excellent. That's great to know. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. I hope you have a wonderful stay with us. Bless.
Excellent. That's great to know. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. I hope you have a wonderful stay with us. Please let me know if there is anything else that I can assist you with. Thank you.
Will do. Thanks again.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in, please.
Wonderful. May I have your name?
My name is Cheryl Casona. I have a reservation.
Okay, let me look that up. Ah, yes, here it is. You have a reservation for a standard room for 2 nights, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Can I have your passport, ma'am?
Okay, here it is.
Thank you, ma'am. Can you fill this form for verification and signature?
Okay, it's done.
Excellent. Here is your room K, room 412. It's located on the 4th floor.
Thank you. Do you have any information about the hotel facilities and services?
Absolutely. We have a fitness center open 24 hours, an outdoor pool, and a restaurant serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also offer concierge services if you need any reputation or assistance during your stay.
That's great. Thank you. I'd like to know more about breakfast options. Do you have served continental breakfast or a full hot breakfast?
We are a full hot breakfast buffet every morning from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in our restaurant. It includes a variety of hot items like eggs, bacon, sausage, as well as pastries, fruit, yogurt, and more. Breakfast is complimentary for our hotel guests.
Wonderful, that sounds perfect. And what about getting around the city? Do you have any suggestions for public transportation?
Yes, we'd be happy to help with that. The nearest subway station is just a 5-minute walk away from hotel. I can provide you with a map and directions if you would need a help.
That would be great. That would be great. Thank you. I appreciate all the information.
Of course, it's my pleasure. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with during your stay. Enjoy your time in the city.
Thank you. I'm sure I will.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. I'm sure I will. By the way, can you call someone that can I assess my luggage?
Okay, ma'am. Can you wait for a moment? Hello, this is front office. I need a bellman to assist Ma'am Cheryl with her luggage.
Okay, noted. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Henry Yudi, and I will be the one who will assist with your luggage.
Okay, thank you.
This way, ma'am.